Hello friends, I am Professor Dr. Vinod Kumar and that's my next video on secrets of cross-selling. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the notification of my upcoming videos. This video will help you in improving your sales revenue through cross-selling. First of all, we need to understand what is cross-selling. Here cross means selling related goods along with main goods. To make it more clear, I would like to take the example of Make My Trip. They do not only sell hotel rooms, rather, they would also sell your services such as travel through bus, cabs, trains, flights, holidays, visa assistance, leisure activities, sightseeing, along with hotel rooms, including meals. This is basically done through a package deal. In sales, the golden rule to remember is to improve the items to sell and your revenue would automatically go up. While buying a car, you must have observed the dealer usually arranges for loans or finance, insurance, registrations, accessories, membership cards, car connect systems, maintenance packages, etc. This is what we call cross-selling. Therefore, ACs coming with stabilizers, computers coming with UPS, printer, cartridges, healthcare packages covering multiple tests, educational institutions with hostel, mess, laptops, tour, uniform, books, transportation, even management companies providing hospitality services, MCs, stand hostesses, floral, rental, office material, etc. They all come under the domain of cross-selling or integrated selling or package selling. So the list is endless. Remember, you need to improve the items that you're selling, and that is the only way to improve your revenue and profits, thereby providing dividends to your stakeholders, which is the ultimate mantra to achieve success that can only come through cross-selling. Therefore, you should find out that apart from your basic products, what else as related products you can sell to your target market, and you should become the one-stop solution for multiple items using horizontal and vertical collaborations. With this, I would like to end this topic, that is secrets of cross-selling. Thank you very much.